How and why do you feel part of Francophonie? What is the significance of French language around the world and for you? Write about one French personality that inspires you and why. Firstly, we should know about the term Francophonie. The term Francophonie means a loosely united group of nations in which French is the first official or culturally significant language. It also refers to the global community of French speaking peoples, and a francophone is a person who speaks French. I also feel part of Francophonie because I am learning French and about French culture, and I speaks little French too. And a francophone is someone who speaks French. Je suis étudiant en français. Significance of French language around the world. More than 300 million people speaks French on the five continents. French is the second most widely learned foreign language after English and the fifth most widely spoken language in the world. A recent study of Duolingo, the mobile language learning tool provider, found that French is the second most frequently studied language. The significance of French language for me is that it French is considered an advantage in personal life, in culture, in travel, in education, in the workplace, and in terms of access to information around the world. It also, by learning French, it also provide better business opportunities. French language is highly useful in overseas businesses in both manufacturing and services. Various French products, including beverages like wine and liquors, cosmetics, nuclear reactors, are exported to numerous countries across the world. French is a global business language, and knowledge of French can lead to career opportunities. That's why French language is significant for me. The personality that inspires me a lot is Napoleon Bonaparte, usually referred to as simply Napoleon. I read first time about Napoleon in my ninth grade and I literally got inspired by his work. He was not born in royal family. He rose up to be an emperor of France. His courage along with his leadership skills inspires me. He was very hardworking person as he was born into a family of minor nobility on Corsica. His parents were well off enough to send him to school in France, although he never lost his Corsican accent and claimed to have been teased for it throughout his life. His hard work were well paid, as he became first Corsican to graduate from École Militaire at 16 years old. He became an When he was 16 years old, he became an officer in the French army, which was very inspiring for me. Some quotes by Napoleon are: "A ability is nothing without opportunity. A leader is a dealer of hope." What is the concept of la laïcité? La laïcité make a comparison between laïcité and secularism in India. French laïcité was the product of a struggle with the Catholic Church. At the end of 19th century, the republics battled to wrest classroom, the army and the politics from the hands of clergy was sometimes violent. Religious schools were shut down by force. This campaign resulted in a law in 1905 to entrench laïcité across France. The point was to protect private religious belief but also to keep public affairs free from the influence of any religion. There cannot be any interference by any religion in the functioning of the government, and there can't be any interference by the government in the religious life of its citizen or in the form of religion to which they adhere. The concept of French laicite is very similar, and on the other hand, it is very different too. Both of them let the people of their country to practice any religion they want without any government interference. The French secularism law state is slightly different. They put a restriction on a state employees displaying religious symbols that are easily visible. The French model of secularism does not support religious activities but also not interfere in private religious practices. But in India's secularism, it is more inclusive and positive. It supports all religion and culture. Also, people are allowed to wear symbols that depict their religion symbols. There is no restriction for this. Messi.